Hi guys. So these are my interesting notes based off of Hi guys. Here are some interesting things that I found in the article for children who are a change agent. So there was one interesting quote in there that I thought was noteworthy. And so, a study of the impact of shopping with children on the nutritional content of purchases found that parents tend to use nutrition heuristics rather than reading nutritional labels, and that the perceived need to move through the store quickly while shopping with children may decrease the time available to compare the nutritional benefits of products. And the other thing that I found interesting when they explained the results of their studies, that while caregivers in Baltimore wanted to save money and acquire healthy food to feed their families, they also explained that the realities of grocery shopping with children often lead to less healthy purchasing, as they weigh the preference for sticking to planned purchases with the influence of the shopping environment and children's nagging. So, for the first note here, I thought that was interesting because, I mean, it just makes a lot of sense that, parents don't want their children to, make a fuss and create a scene and don't want their children to, want to pick out things they want that's unhealthy or they don't need. So it makes sense that they'd want to just hurry up and rush out of there. But it also doesn't make sense that parents don't choose the most nutritious foods because of the fact there's such a rush to get out of the grocery store. And then with the second point here, I just thought that even though this study was performed in Baltimore, I think if this study was carried out through a whole bunch of cities, I think, or even with other ethnicities too, because I know they focus on African Americans, there wouldn't be much of a difference. That there would still be this need for parents to, want to save money and get healthy food, but end up not doing that because of their children. And, environmental factors such as the way the store is laid out and stuff like that. So.